Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma. We'll begin by exploring the Figma interface, which is entirely web-based. You'll learn to create your first design frame, essentially your canvas. We'll cover fundamental tools such as drawing basic shapes, adding text, and applying colors. This initial step is crucial for understanding the environment where all your design work will take place, setting a strong foundation for your creative journey. Next, we'll dive into Figma's core design tools. The Frame tool is essential for organizing your designs, acting as a container for your elements. You'll learn to use various shape tools to build foundational graphics. We'll also cover adding and styling text layers, crucial for any user interface. Experiment with color palettes and gradients to bring your designs to life, making them visually engaging and professional. Collaboration is a cornerstone of Figma. You can easily share your designs, allowing team members to provide real-time feedback directly on the canvas. We'll also explore creating reusable components, which are vital for maintaining design consistency across large projects. Learning to organize your layers and groups will streamline your workflow, making your files easy to navigate and manage. Plus, discover how plugins can significantly enhance your design capabilities. Finally, we'll bring your designs to life through prototyping. Learn to connect your frames to create interactive user flows, simulating how your final product will behave. This allows you to test usability and gather valuable feedback before development. We'll also cover exporting your assets in multiple formats, ready for handoff to developers. Mastering these steps ensures your designs are not only beautiful, but also functional and ready for implementation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.